unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Yes, fiber can replace rebar in concrete to a certain extent, particularly in applications where flexibility and resistance to cracking are important. Fiber-reinforced concrete, FRC, uses fibrous materials to increase its structural integrity. It significantly reduces the chances of cracking and boosts tensile strength, making it suitable for slabs, overlays, and certain structural components. However, for heavy load-bearing structures or where high tensile strength is crucial, rebar might still be necessary. The key is to match the choice of reinforcement to the specific demands of the project.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.